you
and it
told
smells
your
like
friend you're
orange.
not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way.
And you leave it on your skin
Guess you're trying
for
to stay
4 to
strong
5
and
minutes.
fake a
You
smile
cannot believe
until
how
I
soft
look
my
away.
skin is right
But
now.
I'm not.
Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel, to another video. Thank you guys for subscribing to my channel, and I noticed that I have more subscribers than last month. Thank you guys for subscribing to my channel. My name is Jane Michael. In this channel I talk about skincare, photography, tips and tricks. Yeah, quick one. In this video we are going to talk about the right way to use your brightening body scrub, and I'm very sure that most of us are guilty of this. We don't know how to use our body scrub properly, and let me tell you this, I am in this before, because some months back, yes, I would say some months back, when I used my body scrub and I had a call from the bathroom, so I quickly had to jump out from the bathroom to pick the call, but my body scrub was on my skin at that time. So after going back to the bathroom, I noticed that the body scrub had already sit on my skin already. After pouring water, cleaning the whole body, I noticed that my skin turned out to be soft. When I say soft, like a baby skin, how a newborn baby skin is soft. So I was now wondering, oh, it seems I'm using this body scrub wrongly. Few days after, because I don't use my body scrub every day, the third day I used it and I leave it on my skin for 5 minutes. Oh my, you can't imagine how smooth and that my skin was then. So this is how I luckily know how to use my body scrub correctly. So in this video I'm going to do a demo of how you should use your body scrub correctly. So if this video is for you, kindly keep watching. So for my body scrub, before now, you all know that I use this Cool Spa turmeric body scrub and the salt scrub. There is salt scrub and there is sugar scrub. I use the salt scrub because I have a hard skin. But you see this face, please pardon my voice. I have cold. Pardon my voice, guys. So when it comes to body scrub, I'm always careful of which body scrub I use for my face and for my skin. Now I use the Caribbean body scrub. Caribbean, I don't know if I get the spelling correctly. This is the body scrub I use now, the vitamin C. The orange version. This is the vitamin C ingredient of this body scrub. If I say I saw the changes on my skin when it comes to this body scrub, no. If you want to lighten your skin, if you want to brighten your skin, get your hands on this body scrub, So the ingredients included in the body scrub is vitamin E, vitamin C. The benefit of this body scrub is that it lightens your skin and remove dead skin cells from your skin and create a new skin cell, which includes vitamin C, vitamin E and AHA to make your skin look radiant. And also, after using this body scrub, if you use your body lotion, you are going to see that this lotion is going to penetrate into your skin like immediately. It's going to work magic, because body scrub is necessary in everyone's skincare routine, is because it's going to remove every dead skin cell from your skin, and that is the benefit of body scrub. But for my face scrub, I use the tea tree facial scrub. I have been using this for a long time now. Let me bring the other empty bottle. This is the empty one, and this will soon finish. Like it's soon. When I say soon, the content is right here, so I need to get my hands on another one. When I like this face scrub because it softens my skin, so I don't use the salt scrub on my skin before I use it. But I noticed that my face dry, like, I have a dry and sensitive skin, and I use salt scrub again on my skin. No, it will damage your skin barrier if you are doing this. Get a soft, gentle scrub for your face. If you want to use your scrub, focus on where you want it to perform magic. When I say perform magic, maybe your elbow, wherever part you notice that you have a dark spot or uneven skin, it's going to even out your nails, your neck, and make sure that you put it on your neck also. So I'm going to do a demo so that I won't be saying like just talking and talking. If you want to use your body scrub, you need to get a scrub glove. This is my scrubbing sponge, and it's wet right now because I just finished taking my bath. So the proper way to use it is now, after taking your bath with your bar soap. I use my dudu also as seen on the screen to take my bath first. Take your bath first before applying your body scrub. That is the number one point. With your body wash, after then use your body scrub. Going to take some of this content, but first you need to wet your skin. This is how it is. This is how the container is. This is how it looks like. There is a cover and there's another cover. This is how it is. So I'm going to remove the cover here. Then I need to wet my skin right now. Let me remove the glove first and wet my skin so that you guys can see what I'm talking about. So wet your skin. I have a bottle here that I'm taking the water from. So this is it, guys. Wet your skin. So my skin is wet now. The reason why I'm wetting my skin right now is because I've taken my bath, and so now my skin is dry. So when you are doing your own, you are in the bathroom, so you are still wet after using your bath soap. Then apply your body scrub straight up. Make sure you put your scrub on a wet skin and not dry skin. So I'm going. It smells really nice. It smells like orange. Yes, it smells like orange. Then take some content. I'm going to take some now. Take some and put on the damp skin. I'm going to put it here. I'm after my elbow. My elbow is somewhat darker than the other part of my body, so I need to put it more on my elbow. You see, then you leave it on your skin for 2 to 5 minutes. By the time you are putting this, you can start brushing your teeth at this point, so that by the time you finish brushing your teeth, then this scrub must have worked magic already on your skin. So yeah, there you have it. See, you can remove the glove and use your hand to pat it into your skin. Like I said, it smells so orangey. So this skin is, I'm going to put it in also. I'm going to put it in. You put it on your neck as well. But now I've taken my bait, and so I'm sure that you are going to get it with the way I'm doing it. After leaving it on your skin for 2 to 5 minutes, then clean it with water. Yeah, if you are using a brightening bar soap, leave the bar soap on your body also for 2 to 3 minutes, so that this bar soap is going to work magic. Or if you normally use a scrub sponge for taking your bath, then you have no issue, because you are going to put some of the bar soap on your glove, then use on your skin. So guys, I need to go and wash it because it's already 5 minutes. I have waited for 5 minutes. So guys, I'm back. You can't believe how soft my skin is right now. like a newborn baby skin. Soft, honestly, this is fantastic. So I'm going to use a towel to clean it off. Clean towel, use a clean towel to clean it off. Okay. That's all. That is the right way to use your body scrub. I'm going to summarize everything because yes, we've done it. We've done it. I've done a demo for you guys. Number one, when you get a body scrub, make sure you get the right ingredients. I bought the vitamin C, the orange flavor for my skin because I want to brighten my skin. You also need a sponge scrub and also leave on your skin for 2 to 5 minutes. Between that time, you can do other things in the bathroom. Keep yourself busy, like brushing your teeth and do any other thing. The bonus about this scrub is that you can also turn it to soap. So guys, we have come to the end of this video. If you have any question related to this body scrub, or you have questions outside this video, please kindly drop your questions in the comment section. If you are watching to this moment and you've not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe, please. I'm begging, kindly subscribe to my channel. My name remains the same, Jane Michael. Don't forget to like, comment and share. I would like to see you guys in my next video. Bye.